In today's video, I will walk you through how to connect unclosed lines in AutoCAD to form a polyline. To get started, type PEDIT in the command line and press Enter. Then type M and press Enter to start the Polyline Edit command. Select all the lines you want to connect and combine into a single polyline. After selecting the lines, press Enter to continue. From the available options, select Join to combine the separate line segments into one polyline.
Next, click on one end of the line and extend it until it connects with another line. Repeat this process if needed to make sure all lines are connected properly. Connecting unclosed lines into a polyline is great for creating continuous line paths and keeping your drawings clean and organized. It's especially useful when working with detailed designs where separate line segments need to be combined without redrawing them.
And that's how to connect unclosed lines in AutoCAD to form a polyline. Thank you for watching the video.